Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Tuscan white bean soup. First, let's build our flavor base. Start by dicing 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté these aromatics in about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil over medium heat. Cook them gently for 8 to 10 minutes until they become tender and translucent, but not browned. This sofrito is the heart of our soup, providing a deep, savory foundation. Next, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, the white beans. Add 2 15-ounce cans of cannellini beans, thoroughly rinsed and drained, to your pot. Pour in 6 cups of high-quality vegetable or chicken broth. For an extra layer of aroma, toss in a fresh sprig of rosemary and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Stir everything together gently to combine these wonderful flavors. Now let's bring our soup to a gentle simmer. Once it reaches a light boil, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial simmering period allows all the ingredients to get to know each other, deepening the flavors and creating a truly harmonious dish. The beans will absorb the broth's richness, becoming even more tender. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully remove the rosemary sprig from the pot. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into individual bowls. For an authentic touch, drizzle each serving with a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley and a dash of freshly ground black pepper will complete this delightful Tuscan white bean soup. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.